Hey traders, I will show you special tools and tricks that really work. Let's kick off this TradingView adventure by adding our first secret weapon, the 200 EMA filter parabolic SAR indicator. Just hop over to the indicator tab and search for this game-changing tool. Hold your horses, traders. Before we dive into using the first secret weapon, the 200 EMA filter parabolic SAR indicator, there's an essential step we can't escape: optimization. Trust me, taking a few moments to fine-tune this powerful tool can make a world of difference in your trading success. While the 200 EMA filter parabolic SAR indicator is undoubtedly a gem, it's crucial to remember that relying on a single indicator can limit your potential. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to another fantastic tool that will not only complement our first indicator but also help you make more confident trading decisions. But before we dive into this dynamic duo, let's take a moment to appreciate TradeGenius, my channel dedicated to sharing profitable, easy to use and completely free trading strategies. By liking this video and subscribing to the channel, you're not only supporting this incredible community but also unlocking a treasure trove of valuable tips and tricks to help you thrive in the trading world. Alright, let's jump back to the indicator tab and unleash the power of our second incredible tool. Once you click on the tab, you'll see a handy search bar just waiting for you to discover the Maverick Trend Oscillator. Just like our first indicator, the Maverick Trend Oscillator might need a few tweaks to truly shine. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of fine-tuning this powerful tool. One of the coolest things about this strategy is how easy it can help you identify the market direction. Here's a simple way to spot a downtrend. Check if the MA45 line is hanging out below the MA200 line, and also make sure the price candles are chilling below all those lines. When you see that happening, you can be confident that you're in a downtrend market. Just like spotting a downtrend, identifying an uptrend with our strategy is a breeze. To catch an uptrend, look for the MA45 line sitting above the MA200 line. Additionally, make sure that the price candles are hovering above all those lines. Once you notice these signals, you can confidently say that you're in an uptrend market. And here we go, traders. The trading rules are up next. Let's dive into the exciting world of the buy trade entries and learn how to make the most out of the current market trend. First things first, keep your eyes peeled for a long signal on the chart indicating a potential buy opportunity. Next, ensure that the trend is your friend by making sure it's moving in an upward direction. To confirm that long signal, we need our trusty Murray's oscillator to be in a green zone, sitting pretty above the zero line. So once all these pieces fall into place, you're ready to pounce on the buy position. But hold up, don't forget about risk management. Set a stop loss for your trade using the most recent market swing low or place it just below the MA line. This way you can minimize potential losses and trade with confidence. Finally, let's lock in those profits. Set your trade target 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry and a stop loss level. Now let's explore the world of sell trade rules. First, be on the lookout for a short signal on the chart, signaling a potential sell opportunity. Next, ensure the trend is heading downward, so you're always trading with the current market flow. Now, it's time for our trusty Murray's oscillator to work its magic again. We need it to be in the red zone, sitting below the zero level to confirm that short signal. Once everything aligns, you're all set to enter that sell position. And don't forget our risk management strategy. Set a stop loss for your sell trade using the most recent swing high or place it slightly above one of the MA lines. This way you can protect your trade and minimize potential losses. Finally, lock in those profits by setting your trade target 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry level and a stop loss level. So, it's now time to share some exciting results, traders. We tested our strategy on the gold chart using a 15-minute time frame and a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Guess what? It performed incredibly well. Out of 100 trades, we had a fantastic 66% win rate, and the total profit was an outstanding 89%. We ran the backtesting for 13 weeks. And during that time, we saw an amazing streak of 16 wins in a row with only 6 losses. That's pretty awesome, right? But there's more. We compared profit to loss and the profit factor was an impressive 2.91. Plus, the max drawdown or the biggest dive was just 5.85%. Love this strategy? Check out our related video for another powerful trading technique. Click on the recommended video on your screen to continue your journey with TradeGenius. Happy trading!